නමාමි බුද්ධං මනෝපුබ්බංගමා ධම්මා මනෝසිට්ඨා මනෝමයා මනසාචි පදුත්තේන භාසතිවා කරෝතිවා තතෝනං දුක්ඛමන්වේති චක්කං වහතු පදං මනෝපුබ්බංගමා ධම්මා මනෝසිට්ඨා මනෝමයා මනසාචි පසන්නේන ආසතිවා කරෝතිවා තතෝනං සුකමන්වේති ඡායාව අනපායි Dhamma Prince, the Buddha presented you two ways of living through these two stanzas from Dhammapada. You have to justify which way of living is suitable for to follow you. In both stanzas, Buddha says, mind is before everything. So, if you engage in activity or in speech with anger, delusion, and desire, Buddha emphasizes you have to suffer from pain because of the result of that unwholesome activity. You have to find out the way of living that you can get much pleasure and you have to live without getting any troubles. When you engage in speech or any activity with anger, delusion, and desire, the bad result comes in your present life and the next life being in samsara. In the first stanza, the Buddha emphasized if you engage in unwholesome activity, the result comes as the wheel of the cart follows the bull. In the second stanza, Buddha emphasizes if you engage in speech and in activity without delusion, anger, and decide. You will gain much pleasure in your present life and the next life being in samsara as the shadow of you follows you. So you have to justify what kind of way of living you have to choose to follow to succeed your life. Thank you very much for listening to me. Blessing of the triple gems be showered upon you.